Right, so we're here looking at a NFT Rarity Ranking script or app, an article. This one was a tutorial put out by Moralis. There's a NFT Rarity Ranking Dapp, decentralized app. This article they've got posted runs you through, talks about the API, the blockchain, what is rarity, a preview, and this is the like a screenshot of the app when it's been run on a collection. And you can see it shows the traits and the rarity score, the rank. So we've actually got this running. We had to do a little bit of work and on the script, and for that we've been jumping into the forum, and I've been getting some help updating the script so it'll work with I guess there have been some changes since the video that was causing the script to not run, and I still get lots of errors. Still trying to figure out how to deal with the null attributes not being in or it's not an array, so it's throwing errors. So kind of still learning the ropes when it comes to coding and all that with JavaScript. And so this has been a good thing to bite my teeth on. What I can do is, first of all, I wanted to run through this real quick, and you'll get to where you see there's video for it as well, which is unlisted, but it's still up. This talks about the script that we've got here. It's the Ethereum boilerplate Moralis, and so it's React. So I've got it inside. I've done a few different projects, but it's the Rarity Ranking NFT. So I've currently got it running on localhost. And the main generator that pulls in, does all the work, is, I'm trying not to give out my important information, but this is the script that we've worked through and made some alterations to what you'll see in the video. And the alterations, the actual script and everything you can find in the I'm going to bring it up. The forum post, which I've also linked to in this latest blog post that I've put up. So here's the Rarity Ranking NFT era forum thread, and Glad was helping us out with getting the script to run, but it only seems to run on complete collections that have like minted out, and they don't have like null attributes or something weird like that. So I posted my async function, generate rarity, back in here, and this was the one that was working for me. There were some differences. Where I think the pagination, there was something different with that, so we had to update this, and I basically patched this up with some code that I found on some comments to the YouTube video, and with some support from Glad there, we've got this script running to where it's at now. Still not perfect. Here is where you can do the 8 times weight to give it the rarity tools weighting, so you'll come out with a ranking that's similar to rarity tools. And this bottom part is where it pushes it to the Moralis database of all and adds the JSON, with all the IPFS data that it gets from the metadata of the contract address. So that's that support forum thread. And here is the app running on local. This is what you find when you first log in, and all the collections that you run and have got hosted in your Moralis database will show in this drop down. So I've got the base Vitalik collection pulled in, and you can see we refresh that, pull in the non-fungible soup. Some of them missing, and what it does, it's basically right now it's pulling directly from IPFS, so you would have to add in some kind of a caching layer, to store all these images, I think, of the common, whichever collections that you're definitely going to use it for have a rarity ranking on. Let's just flip it like it's hot. Let me refresh that again. Something that I aped into. I went ahead and ran the script on it and seemed to have ranked this collection pretty good. These little flip collections. So there you see it, this rarity rank in action. You see it show a couple. Oh yeah, I did the Digidai Daku as well. So looking good. Ranks that one number 10. So you can check it with some of the other big marketplaces and see how accurate it is. So this one's 379, ranked number 10. And come back to that another time because the other other sites that do rarity. So if you were to look on Rarity Sniper, boundary and so there it is, and so it hasn't been like deployed yet, so I guess the next stage will be to see if I can get it to build and deploy it, and then obviously to just sort of secure the environment variables and whatnot. Yeah, but there it is. Get ready to publish a blog post. It's going to link to all of this and show this little video as a example of doing this Moralis tutorial on this rarity ranker. As you can see, I've got some Art 101 stuff in there, as well as those. The oh yeah, I've got the bossy baddies in there. Still a few kinks to be worked out with the script, so it won't keep crashing. As you can see, it's done a duplicate there. So that's what that is, and yeah, here's the just a quick scan through the script itself. Generate rarity. This is the main thing that does all the hard work. And you can put in your collection and a collection name, and then what you'll do, you'll be in the public, in the source components, in the quick start JSX, and this is where you'll have your options that you'll see there. This is where the drop down options are, and this is the page that's rendering the JSX, so it's rendering the results coming in from that that Moralis connection there. So there you have it. That's the Moralis NFT Rarity Ranking Dapp that is running on localhost, which I seem to have just shut down. Alright, all good. We will be back. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash a like, and any questions on the script and any heads up, we will keep on developing it. Thanks for tuning in. Later.